Hi, today we will see about how to export the tube profiles or let's say create a new tube profiles with all dimensions. You have to generally create a new shape into the shapes and sizes database, and then you can extract any information previously you have, and then you can copy that. So to do that, you have to go to the maintenance shapes and grid sizes. Then, for example, let's say all these dimensions that you need to export. So what you have to do is like let's decide which profile that you want to take it out and make it as a prefix. That prefix needs to be changed. For example, let's say SHS needs to be a tube. So there is no renaming option in Tekla PowerFab, so you have to create a new duplicate shape of this SHS. For example, let's say tube profiles. There are 254 records are there, dimensions wise, and full data, like for example, unit weight and cross area. So first, let's export. You can go to the drop-down menu, export to ASC2. Just filter only the SHS profile here. Click OK. And you can directly export to the required location. In my case, I go for the default export directory. So we'll open the directory by going to the file menu and click on the export directory. So you will see the last file which has been exported. Open it in a notepad textpad file, which is ASC2 format, is a notepad file format, and here you will see only the data for the SHS. What you can do here is like use the control H to replace this SHS to tube, replace, and save this file. You can click OK. Just you can verify it all or like modified, and then you can come back to Tekla PowerFab. Now just create a new tube profile. Go to the drop-down menu and shape maintenance. Here you can just take a data of the previous one, SHS. You can use that information, or just directly select that one and click on new shape button. That will take the previous let's say the type of dynamic length and properties description and everything, and the unit format or weight, which one you want to use it, you can change that. Only this can be changed when you create a new profiles or new shape. It is not allowed to rename it. That is not possible in Tekla PowerFab. So let's say click on this new shape button, and first you have to define the shape, like in my case tube, and the description you can give same or whichever you wish to have it. So in my case I go for the square hollow section. Tubes mostly it will be circular, but in my case I just give a different name. That's it. And pricing format and weight I choose for the kg, and pricing format will be meters, and hit on save shape. Now you will see the new shape which has been created, and it will be empty by default. There will not be any sizes. If you wish to add only one size, you can click on add dimension, and then you can add the data based from your technical data book. But if you're using any Tekla PowerFab's database, then you can just use this method. So for now, I will create a default shape grade. Like for example, for this tube, there will be one shape, default shape. And then now you can go to the file menu, import, and look for the shape, grade, and size, not in the inventory. It will be available separately. You can see in the bottom, and click on ASC2 format, and browse for your profile which you have modified as a tube. Click open, and then hit on import. So while importing also, you have to choose which type of profile that you are going to import the data. So it will take a little bit time. I will just make this to be a little more, speed up the process, and now you will see the result. So once you successfully entries will be listed out in the log. You can open the log file if you wish to check the errors if there is any, and you can double check from the maintenance shapes and grade. you can navigate to the new shape which you have created, tube, and then you will see all the data that has been taken, like it has been imported into tube, the one which we took from the SHS. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.